Hello students, yesterday you saw that the narrator was actually telling you about his father, that his father was actually one of the most soundest sleeper in the world, and actually he was not one of, he was actually the soundest sleeper of all in his family. Soundest sleeper of all means to say that his sleep was very deep and he rarely used to wakes up while sleeping, and for waking him up, for awakening him, you need to really shout or push him hard. So had by this time been awakened by the battering on the attic door, but actually all the sounds that were being produced at the attic door, and all those who are actually banging the door, because of these things, all those havoc that was created on the attic door. Battering means all the havoc that was created, जो पूरा अफरा तफड़ी मचा हुआ था ना, because of that actually the narrator's father after all finally awakened. Look at here, awakened. And that is why he decided that the house was on fire. So actually after hearing all the noise, the father thought that it was actually the house that was on the fire, and that is why he, as he was half asleep, he was, he just starts saying, I am coming. Because as the head of the house, he thought that he needs, the fire has got to his house and he will have to go. So he was still half asleep. You can understand, you can correlate yourself with this situation, that whenever you are in sleep, in slumber, and suddenly you wake up, you generally do not come to the full consciousness of what happening or what does not happening, and how the things are shaping up. So actually he wailed in a slow sleepy voice. It took him many minutes to regain full consciousness. As I have told you, sometimes after waking up it takes time to come to full consciousness, and that's what happened with the narrator's father also. And he actually wailed in his slow sleepy voice. Sleepy voice means when talking as if you are in sleep, and wailed means it's like sobbing sound. And he told that I am coming, and after when he actually regained his full consciousness, then actually he is telling to one second wait he is telling to his mother that still believing he, but narrator is telling you here that the narrator's mother was actually still believing he was caught under the bed. Detected in his I am coming the mournful resigned note of one breathing his last. He is dying, she shouted. But the mother of narrator thought that his father is under the bed has fallen on him, so he is now dying, and of a desperate person who is just regaining his last, who is just having his last breath, who the type of sound that a person who is dying makes, that is in that sort of situation he is just saying, oh, I'm coming. It's a voice of a person who is dying. That's what the mother of the narrator thought. So in the mother of the narrator, it was already going on in her mind that before the father decided to sleep, that the bed will fall upon him actually, because that bed is about to fall. It can fall any point of time. Only these things are going on in her mind, and that is why she was so sure that the bed has fallen on him and he is dying. But at the meanwhile, in all this chaos created in the house, Brigus thinks that everyone is shouting because of himself as he is dying. Brigus thought that as you have seen in the story, Brigus always think that if he is not awakened in his sleep after at the interval of every hour, he will choked off. So Brigus is thinking that everyone is actually just worrying for him, and that is why he yelled to reassure her, I am all right. So yelled means student scream, chikna, and he yelled to assure whom? To assure the mother of narrator. This her actually represents the mother of narrator, and that is why the Brigus is yelling that I am all right, I am fine. He is thinking that everyone is worried for him. He still believed that it was his own closeness to death that was worrying mother. So actually, Brigus is thinking that as he is about to die, and that is why the mother is worried for. But actually, that was not the case. The mother was actually worried for her husband. It means the narrator's father. So actually, it was everyone in the house was quite. The chaos has been created so far in the house. Now I found at last the light switch in my room, unlocked the door, and Brigus and I joined the others at the attic door. The dog, who never did like Brigus, jumped for him, assuming that he was the culprit in whatever was going on, and Roy had to throw Rex and hold him. So what happens here, student? You are saying that finally the narrator, I is actually the narrator. Finally the narrator found the switch button of the light, and then he actually unlocked the room, and then Brigus and the narrator, they both joined everyone at the attic door. Right now everyone is at the attic door because everyone is thinking that the bed has fallen on the father and the dog, who never did like Brigus. And actually Brigus has been compared here as the person who almost behaved like dog but the dog in their house, the pet dog of their house, he never does anything like Brigus. But right now he just jumped for Brigus. The dog actually jumped on Brigus, because Brigus was not the normal member of the family. He was not the common member of the family. So the dog thought that whatever is happening, whatever is going on, all the chaos that has been created in the house is because of Brigus. So that is why the pet dog of their house just jumped on him, because the dog thought that it was the Brigus who is the culprit. Culprit means, a student, someone who is guilty, an accused person. So actually but the Roy has to hold the dog and actually control him. Roy, I believe that he is their guard, or to some side maid of their house. Maid is generally a woman these days, but he was the servant, I believe. And Rex is the name of the dog here, students. Keep that in mind. Rex was the name of the dog, I believe. Not I believe, that's the fact. And then we could hear father crawling out of bed upstairs. So now his father actually finally came out of the room from crawling under the bed. Crawling means by creeping under the bed. जब आप रेंगते हुए अंदर से किसी चीज में से निकलते हैं. Roy pulled the attic door open with a mighty jerk, and father came down the stairs, sleepy and irritable but safe and sound. So actually finally the servant of their house, Roy, somehow able to pull the attic door open, and he actually pulled it by how he actually pulled it? By a mighty jerk. It means with full strength. He just pushed the door. पूरी ताकत से उसने झटका देके door को finally he opened the door, and father actually came down the stairs. He was sleepy. He was looking as if he was sleeping, but irritable, and he was irritable also because he has to waken up from the sleep, and then but he was actually safe and sound. There was no harm actually. Nothing has happened to him. He was totally fit and fine. So my mother began to weep when she saw him. Rex began to howl. So actually, as soon as the mother of the narrator saw the father, she started to weep. She was so emotional at that point of time, so she started to weep. But Rex, who was their dog, actually started to howling. You know how a dog actually starts to howl, you know, when it starts making growling sound from its mouth. That is known as howling. It's a very cute and odd sound dog generally makes. I cannot make, and not everyone can make the sounds like that. It's not easy. And so the father is very obvious that he would ask that what on earth is going on here. You know, everyone was gathered there, and all of them was making so much of noise. So the father asked, what on earth is going on here, So the situation was finally put together like a gigantic jigsaw puzzle. So now everything has solved, the puzzle has solved. What's the problem, what the actual problem, what has happened, now everyone has understood. And before that it was like a puzzle which was not put together properly, but now it had solved. Gigantic means very huge, very big, and you understand what the jigsaw puzzle is. So now every pieces of the jigsaw puzzle was finally put together. That's what the situation is under control. That's what the narrator is trying to tell you. Now actually father caught a cold from prowling around in his bare feet, but there were no other bad results. Actually the only thing that happened to father was actually he was caught with a cold. उसको सर्दी खांसी जुकाम हो गया because he actually prowled around in his bare feet. What does it mean? He just moved here and there restlessly in his bare feet. So these are the human beings. Their immunity is so big, even if they just walk bare feet, they caught cold. Prowling means students, move here and there restlessly for a person. Otherwise nothing bad has happened. But if in today's time if he would have got cold, then everyone would have thought he has got the corona and he will die and he will be treated with so many experimental drugs and medicines that ultimately he would have died. That's the situation of present time in all over the world. And that is why we are not attending the schools also, and we are reading through the videos. So finally, the narrator is telling you, I am glad, said mother. Not narrator, it was his mother who was telling, I am glad, who always looked on the bright side of things. So actually her mother is a positive minded woman. She always thinks positive side of the things. So that is why she said that I am glad that your grandfather wasn't here. So actually his mother is saying that she is happy. Why she is happy? Because her grandfather, it means the narrator's grandfather, was not there. So what he would have made the difference if he would have been there, he would have been scolded everyone for making such chaos at the house, or what, we can just only guess right now. So it is an adapted story from somewhere. Scheming means students just read and then answer these questions. So tomorrow we will see the answer. We will try to solve these. You will have to put them in correct order on the incidents that took place in the story. As for now, we will have to finish the class actually. That's it.